Good afternoon, I'm Mai Rodriguez. We are monitoring anti-Marcos protests at the People Power Monument in Quezon City. Our Rex Remitio takes us there. Rex, are more protesters arriving?
Yes, my anti-Marcos protesters here at the People Power Monument are expressing their anger, disappointment, and frustration over the sudden burial of former President Ferdinand Marcos. At least 300 people are here. Most of them are wearing black and they're carrying banners with different statements such as Marcos no hero, Diktador, Magnanakaw. They're now holding programs at the stage below the monument to show their disdain over what they call the burial of truth and justice. They're even shouting, "Hukayin, Hukayin," as they vow not to stop until Marcos's remains are out of the libingan ng mga bayani. They're decrying the attempts of the Marcos family to revise history and sugarcoat the wrongdoings of martial law. Now, some families of the victims of involuntary disappearance are also here, as well as some priests from the Simbahang Lingkod ng Bayan. Now, the protests are expected to last until late in the evening. So far, the traffic situation remains manageable, although there are some gridlocks on nearby roads. Mai.
Thank you, Rex Remitio. They're reporting live from the People Power Monument along EDSA.